Whether it is a machine, a house, or a relationship, maintenance is always cheaper than the repairing. What you don't maintain, you eventually lose it. Whenever you want to get something, whether it is a thing or whenever you want to get a person in your life, whatever it is, whether it is a thing, whether it is a person, if you want to get them in your life, if you want to get that thing in your life, first you need to understand their value. First, you need to understand that will you be able to maintain a healthy relationship with them. If we talk about people, good people will not always come in your life. And if you will take them for granted, if you will not maintain a healthy and a respectful relationship with them, don't expect that when you will realize they will again come back in your life. Whenever you decide that you want to get a certain thing, first understand that how will you maintain it. Because eventually what you don't maintain, you lose it. And the maintenance is always cheaper than the repairing. Understand and keep this thing in your mind. Sometimes when it's about people, we just take some people for granted. We take their forgiveness, their kind heart for granted. And then when we actually lose them, at that time we realize that we should have maintained a respectful and a good relationship with them. We should have done that. At that time we understand the real value of that person. And you know what? Good people will not always come back in your life. Some people are not meant to be there in your life permanently. Many of them, most of them are not meant to be there in your life permanently. And when you take someone for granted, someone's nature, someone's kind heart, someone good soul for granted, instead of maintaining it with kindness, with respect, you take it for granted, you will eventually lose it. What you don't maintain, you lose it. Whether it is a machine, a house, a relationship, a friendship, whatever it is, what you don't maintain, you eventually lose it. So stop taking people in your life for granted. Thank to even those people who even make you smile once in a day. Do not take good people for granted, because nowadays good people are becoming rare in this world. So just respect it and understand that what you will not maintain, you will eventually lose it. It's as simple as that. If you don't maintain a good relationship, if the person is very good, they are very nice, and still you take them for granted, you don't maintain a good and healthy relationship with them, if you don't respect them, if you don't give them respect, if you don't treat them nicely, you are taking them for granted, their good soul, their kind heart for granted. At that time when you will lose it, it will be like a loss for you. It will be your loss, not their loss. And this is what we mean by maintenance is always cheaper than repairing. Then you will be the one who needs repairing, not them. Instead, don't take people for granted. And if it's about your machine, so you all know, only if you maintain something, if you maintain a machine properly, then you will not have to pay the cost of repairing. If it's about house, maintenance is cheaper than the repairing. Same goes for your life also. Same goes for the people in your life also. And if you are that type of person who don't take people for granted, who actually respects and maintains a good, healthy, respectful relationship with people who are respectful towards you, then understand this thing. If you are this type of person, then you also deserve these type of people only. If there are people in your life who are taking you for granted, who are not maintaining a good, healthy, respectful, nice, soulful relationship with you, then you are not meant for them. They are not meant for you. Understand this thing. How you are to others, that's the way you deserve. Maintenance is always cheaper than repairing. Maintenance is always cheaper than repairing. Maintenance is always cheaper than repairing. Simple as that. Maintain a healthy and good relationship, respectful relationship with people who actually mean to you, who are important for you. Don't take them for granted. There should be one or two special people in your life, and you should always make them feel special. Never take such people for granted. And those people should not be anyone. Like they should also be capable of having that place in your life. They should also treat you the same way. At that time, even you don't have to take them for granted, and you don't also have to hurt them and just make them reach at that stage ki they just have one choice of leaving you. You don't have to do that, because at that time you will be the one who will need repairing. And just maintain it. I'm using these two words, maintaining and repairing, again and again, so that you understand it more clearly. And same goes for them also. They also need to do the same thing with you also. They also need to maintain a proper, healthy, respectful relationship with you. Otherwise, they will be the one who will cause repairing, who will be the one who need repairing, not you. That's it. Understand this thing, that maintenance is always cheaper than the repairing. And with the people who really mean to you, who are very important for you, don't take them for granted. All the good people of your life who make you smile even once in a day, do not take them for granted. They are the gems. Maintain a healthy, respectful relationship with people who actually mean to you and who actually do the same to you. Do not take people for granted. Even an artist cannot make the same shades again. So you cannot get the same people back in your life again. And at that time, when you will realize this thing, it will be too late. So understand, maintenance is way more cheaper than repairing. That's it.